Good morning, 6th class. Today our chapter is chapter number 6, Changes Around Us. And the topics are total 3. 6.1, Can all changes be reversed? 6.2, Could there be other ways to bring a change? 6.3, Keywords. So today our topic is topic 6.1, Can all changes be reversed? And at the end of this topic, you will get assignment number 1. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है क्या सारे चेंजेस रिवर्स हो सकते हैं. So now here the introduction part for you is just look at the sentences. What a fun would it be if you suddenly get some magical powers to change things around you? What are the things you would want to change? So here a boy has got a magical power. इसके पास जादू आ गया है और क्या क्या चेंज ये बॉय कर सकता है. सो हियर ही माइट बी थिंकिंग दैट ही इज़ द किंग ऑफ सम किंगडम. Clear? And here his bed is flying. Okay, there is a lollipop on at the back of pencil and pen. Then the nose is longer, a little bit longer, and here it is flying. Okay, this tower is flying. तो अगर आपके पास, आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो, अगर आपके पास मैजिकल पावर आ गई तो आप क्या क्या करना चाहोगे. Okay, so this is the question for this introduction part. What are the things you would want to change? आप कौन कौन सी चीज़ें ऐसे चेंज करना चाहोगे if you have some magical powers with you, right? So next is our activity 1. Activity 1 is, can this activity is reversed? Just look here, this figure is from your textbook. 6.1 figure, a girl, you are observing a girl, and she is what is she doing? She is filling air in the balloon. Okay, so can you just can you reverse this change? Okay, लड़की है, बलून फुला रही है. अर्लियर इसका साइज़ बलून का छोटा रहता है, एंड देन आफ्टर फिलिंग एयर द साइज ऑफ बलून एक्सपैंड्स. क्लियर? तो आप वापस से इस बलून को छोटा बना सकते हैं. व्हाट इज़ योर आंसर? येस और नो? आंसर इज येस. वेरी गुड. So this activity we can reverse, right? Then activity number 2, just look here, piece of paper and then aeroplane. You can change this piece of paper to aeroplane. बना सकते हैं आप, right? And this aeroplane, can you change this back to paper? आप इसे unfold करो, then you will get back paper. So can you reverse this change? So what is your answer? Answer is yes. Very good. Then activity number 3 is, just look here, this one is, what is this? A ball of duff and a rolled out roti. A ball of duff, right? And here is the roti. Okay, डफ से आप रोटी बना सकते हैं, रोटी से वापस आप डफ बना सकते हैं. सो कैन यू रिवर्स दिस चेंज? सो आंसर इज येस. Clear? So all these activity 1, 2, 3, all these are reversible, right? And now here look at the slide. Activity number 4, can this activity is reverse? Nothing is there on the slide. So what I am trying to show is, here we have one balloon. Okay, balloon, white color balloon it is, and what I am going to do, I am just pricking this. Okay, very carefully. Okay, so we have some pieces of balloon, right? So can you just expand, can you fill air in this balloon, right? So answer is no. Okay, एक balloon अगर फूट जाता है तो वापस से उसे आप expanded balloon बना सकते हैं. Answer is no, we cannot change this. Here हमारे पास यहाँ पे just here, aeroplane cut out of paper, a piece of paper, and here the shape of aeroplane is cut from this paper, and now the paper of aeroplane in the paper form is present here. The shape of aeroplane is here. Okay, can you reverse this change? Okay, इसको वापस इसके अंदर फिट करके आप पेपर को वापस पहले जैसा बना सकते हैं. So answer is no, we cannot reverse. Okay, we cannot change this. We cannot change it. Then activity number 6 is a roti. Okay, पहले हमारे पास डफ था, डफ से हमने एक अच्छा वाला रोटी का शेप बनाया था, and here ये फुला हुआ रोटी है. राइट इसे वापस से आप डफ बना सकते हैं, आटा गुथा हुआ बना सकते हैं. सो व्हाट इज़ योर आंसर? आंसर इज नो, वी कैन नॉट चेंज दिस reaction, sorry, we cannot change this activity, right? So overall from all the 6 activities, first 3 are reversible and next 3 are irreversible. So changes are of 2 type, reversible and irreversible. Reversible means a change where no new sub materials are created and the original materials can be recovered. So there is process of recovery. And irreversible, new materials are created and original materials cannot be recovered. So in case of irreversible there is no recovery, but in case of reversible there is recovery. Next is table 6.1 from your textbook, some common changes. Changes are there are 2 columns, okay, and here in the second column, after observing this, reading this, you have to fill yes or no. So raw egg to boiled egg, clear? Can you convert boiled egg to raw egg? Answer is yes or no? Answer is no. So read out all these, whether the reaction is reversible or not. Fill in your copy. Clear? Batter to idli, आप बना सकते हैं, इडली से वापस आप बैटर बना सकते हो. What is your opinion? इडली से वापस उसका बैटर बन जाएगा. आंसर इज नो. तो इसी तरीके से विद योर हेल्प ऑफ योर ब्रेन जस्ट राइट देयर वेदर आंसर इज येस और नो. सम आर हेयर एंड द रेस्ट आर हेयर ऑल्सो. बड से फ्लावर आप बना सकते हैं, फ्लावर से वापस आप बड बना सकते हैं. आंसर इज नो, राइट? सो जस्ट योर सेल्फ राइट येस और नो एंड दिस इज योर table. And next is about assignment. Assignment 1 is as your homework. Do it. Question number 1, 2 and question number 3. These 3 are from your textbook exercise question number 1, 2 and 3. Do it in your copy and submit tomorrow. Thank you.